Hello, good afternoon. Today is 31st May 2025. It's a Saturday afternoon and I'm out here at Pasir Ris Park just after work, hoping to get some peace and quiet in the wetlands of Pasir Ris Park, as well as to see if I can observe some interesting bird species.
Pasir Ris Park seemed like the birding destination of choice for me that day. Yes, that week we had a flurry of activity at the Singapore Quarry with the sightings of the rufous-bellied eagle and the violet cuckoo, but I chose Pasir Ris Park to optimize my time, and also after a busy week at work, the introverted me needed to seek solace in solitude. Above all, I knew that in the mangrove area, I could enjoy a shaded walk away from the unrelenting sun.
That is the collared kingfisher. There, the collared kingfisher. In the woods. Just gonna be hanging out here to observe the collared kingfisher and see if it obliges us with a bit of a hunting spell. Right there. There's a couple here, and there's one that has a fish in the mouth. Over here, it's got a better angle here. It just flew away the moment I started recording. It was a striated heron on the branch. It was just in there. Let's approach a bit cautiously. Just saw a olive-winged boo-boo family. Mother feeding the two little ones. And then shortly after, the little ones went to nap. What a lovely sight.
At this point, I was busy tracking the flighty sunbirds, which was really difficult as the autofocus on the Canon R7 kept jumping around. And what is an on-location video by myself that doesn't include the omnipresent yellow-vented boo-boo? You may appreciate the yellow on his buttock area, otherwise known as the vent. It is the single opening at the rear that serves as the exit for the digestive, urinary, and the reproductive tracts.
So I just saw a Asian koala. Took some footages of the zebra dove, which got really very close. It was maybe about an arm's length from me, before I realized it was walking right into my camera.
And to end off this sluggish birding afternoon, I was entirely not expecting to see a bee-eater around this area at this time of the year, as I thought that they were migratory, coming to Singapore from September to May period. Maybe one of you can enlighten me down in the comment section below.
Yeah, but like the little olive-winged boo-boos, this has been a lazy afternoon, just strolling around in Pasir Ris Park. In case if you are interested in videos like this where you just hang out with me, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in more videos like this. Bye bye.